If you're looking to capture thrilling videos, an action camera is the ideal choice. We've extensively tested various models, ranging from budget-friendly options to high-end flagships, and have compiled a list of our top picks. Whether you're into surfing, skydiving, or any other adventurous activity, our expert guide is tailored to assist you in finding the perfect action camera that suits your requirements and fits your budget. We've listed the top 3 best action camera 2023 and their key feature, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to our products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 3. Insta360 X2 Degree Waterproof Action Camera. The Insta360 X2 360-degree waterproof action camera is a revolutionary pocket-sized camera crew designed to provide unparalleled shooting capabilities. With its super 5.7K 360 capture, you can record footage in all directions, allowing you to select your preferred angle during post-processing. This gives you the freedom to experiment with various perspectives and create stunning dynamic shots. One of the standout features of this camera is its exceptional stabilization technology and horizon leveling algorithms. You no longer need to rely on a gimbal to achieve smooth and steady footage, as the camera's built-in stabilization ensures that your shots remain steady even during fast-paced action or challenging terrains. Additionally, the camera is built to withstand water adventures, as it is waterproof up to an impressive depth of 10 meters, 33 feet. This makes it perfect for capturing thrilling underwater footage or taking it along on various water sports activities without worrying about damage. For added versatility, the Insta360 X2 comes equipped with an invisible selfie stick. This innovative feature allows you to capture drone-like angles and third-person perspectives effortlessly. With just a flick of your wrist, you can achieve unique and creative shots that add a new dimension to your storytelling. Whether you are an adventure enthusiast, a content creator, or simply love capturing your life's moments in stunning quality, the Insta360 X2 360-degree waterproof action camera offers an incredible and user-friendly experience to elevate your videography to the next level. Number 2. AKASO Brave 7 LE Action Camera. Introducing the AKASO Brave 7 LE Action Camera, a versatile and weatherproof device designed to enhance your vlogging experience. Its IPX7 water-resistant feature allows it to withstand rain, snow, and water splashes, making it perfect for various filming situations. Additionally, the camera includes a waterproof housing that enables you to capture stunning underwater moments up to 131 feet/40 meters deep. The innovative dual-color screen setup offers convenient framing and monitoring, with a vibrant front screen perfect for selfies and a 2-inch back touch screen for easy navigation. Capture your adventures in hyper-quality 4K 30 fps video and 20MP photos, ensuring every detail is preserved. Thanks to the improved 6-axis electronic image stabilization 2.0, you can expect gimbal-like stability even in fast-paced scenarios. The AKASO Brave 7 LE comes with a complete set of professional functions and essential accessories, such as rechargeable batteries, a remote control, waterproof housing, and mounting kits. Get ready to elevate your footage to new heights with this extraordinary action camera. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is an exceptional waterproof action camera that introduces a revolutionary image sensor, resulting in unparalleled image quality with 5.3K video resolution, offering a remarkable 665% improvement over traditional 1080p resolution. It takes photography and videography to new heights, enabling high-resolution photos and videos with an impressive frame rate. The camera's Emmy Award-winning hypersmooth stabilization ensures incredibly smooth footage, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Moreover, the Hero 11 Black includes a carrying case, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle with a thumb screw, and a USB-C cable, providing users with a comprehensive and convenient package to capture their adventures with ease. Whether exploring underwater realms or partaking in thrilling outdoor activities, this cutting-edge action camera promises to deliver exceptional performance and image quality. For more detail, follow the links given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.